Hello guys, I'm Div Pillai. Today I'm going to show you how to transform old pants into a stylish, chic jumpsuit. If you were to buy such an outfit, it can cost you more than 1000 rupees. No thanks. Why spend so much money on it when you can make it yourself free of cost? I'll show you how. Let's get started. First you will have to cut the pants into three parts, which will become the belt, top and the bottom of the jumpsuit. Okay, first remove the thread from the seam of the belt. Stitch the open sides of the belt to close it. Mark the area where the zipper of the pants end with a chalk. Then turn it over and do the same on the back side. Now cut this part and keep it aside. We will use this to make our top. This is our top. We don't want the zipper on the front of a jumpsuit, so we will turn it over and make it the back of the jumpsuit. We will leave this small pocket as it is. But these large side pockets on the other hand, we will remove later. Now take the bottom of the pants. As you can see, this area is very small, very less. So if you wear your pants like this, you won't be able to fit into it. So we will have to make this area longer. To do that, remove the stitches up to 6 to 9 inches depending on your height. Then draw a very small curve on both sides of the pan and cut it out. Now pinch and pin the front sides together. Then pinch and pin the back sides together. Sew them shut. Yeah, almost done. Now attach the top and the bottom of the jumpsuit together. After you are done, it would look something like this. Fold and sew the top. To close the side pocket and give the jumpsuit a good shape, Turn it over and draw a curve according to your measurements with a chalk and sew along it. Then attach the belt to the jumpsuit. To add a few finishing touches, you can reuse the buttons, ribbons of old clothes and use it here. For the inner of the jumpsuit, you can use a white t-shirt or a black shirt or a floral top or any top that you have. Customize it however you like. Let your creativity go wild. So that's it for today's video. If you found it useful, please do let me know in the comments. I'll see you later. Goodbye. Adios.